A new date has now been set to retry convicted child molester Andre Birball. The 50-year-old Trinidadian teacher was sentenced to 35 years in prison after a jury convicted him earlier of having unnatural sex with two underage boys. However, as Fern Carey tells us tonight, the High Court quashed Birball's conviction and sentence and has now ordered a retrial.
Come October 7th of next year, convicted sex offender Andre Birball will get a second chance to present his case to jurors. The date set by Senior Justice John Isaacs this Monday. The 50-year-old Trinidadian was serving a 35-year prison term for having sex with two of his underage male students on Grand Bahama 13 years ago. But last week, the Court of Appeal quashed his conviction and sentence and ordered the retrial after expressing concern about the issue of collusion between Birball's two accusers. The court also cited the failure of the Supreme Court judge to direct the jury properly on Birball's good character. Meantime, during today's proceedings, Birball raised some concerns of his own, suggesting that his 8-count indictment was not formed properly, which would not allow him to properly defend himself at retrial. Birball also suggested that separate trials should be held for each count on the indictment. He also indicated that the place, date, and time of the alleged crimes should be better particularized to allow him to better prepare his defense. Permanent resident in the Bahamas, but the court refused and reminded Birball that he was extradited from New York before he was arraigned and is therefore a flight risk. Meantime, Birball remains behind bars at Fox Hill Prison. Fern Carey, ZNS Network News.